Section 1.4. What else can Copilot do for us? As we've seen, we can use Copilot to write Python code for us starting from an English description of what we want. So we can say that Copilot takes a description in English syntax and gives us back code in Python syntax. That's a big win because learning programming syntax has historically been a major stumbling block for new programmers. What kind of bracket, square bracket, parentheses, or curly bracket, am I supposed to use here? Do I need indentation here? What order are we supposed to write these things in? X and then Y, or Y and then X? Such questions abound, and let's be honest, it's uninteresting stuff. Who cares about this when all we want to do is write a program to make something happen? Copilot can help free us from the tedium of syntax. We see this as an important step to help more people successfully write programs, and we look forward to the day when this artificial barrier is completely removed. For now, we still need Python syntax, but at least Copilot helps us with it. But that's not all Copilot can do. Here are some associated, and no less important, tasks Copilot can help us with. Explaining code. When Copilot generates Python code for us, we'll need to determine whether that code does what we want. Again, as we said previously, Copilot is going to make mistakes. Although we're not interested in teaching you every nuance of how Python works, that's the old model of programming. We'll teach you how to read Python code to gain an overall understanding of what it does. We'll also use the Copilot feature that explains code to you in English. When you finish with this book and our explanations, you'll still have Copilot available to help you understand that next bit of gnarly code that it gives you. Making code easier to understand. There are different ways to write code to accomplish the same task. Some may be easier to understand than others. You can ask Copilot to reorganize your code to make it easier to work with. Code that's easier to read is often easier to enhance or fix when needed. Fixing bugs. A bug is a mistake made when writing a program that can result in the program doing the wrong thing. Sometimes, your Python code almost works, or works almost always, but not in one specific circumstance. If you've listened to programmers talk, you may have heard the common story where a programmer would spend hours only to finally remove one equal symbol that was making their program fail. That's not a fun few hours. In these cases, you can try the Copilot feature that helps to automatically find and fix the bug in the program. Explaining errors. If your code isn't working correctly, you'll often get an error report back from the Python runtime environment. Those errors can be fairly cryptic at times, but Copilot can help you interpret the error and guide you on how to fix it. Finding Python libraries. Python is a mature language with many modules, libraries, that can aid particular tasks, such as data analysis, writing games, working with different image file formats, and so on. A quick conversation with Copilot can often help you find modules that will make your work easier and give you examples to get you started.